We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hualien's Yuli Township boasts a Wugu temple. After retrocession, the Hakka invited the god Wugu Shendi to come to Yuli from Miaoli's Wuhe Mountain Temple. The Wugu temple, built by the Hakka, is believed to be very auspicious and has a close relationship with the local inhabitants. On the right of the main altar is an altar dedicated to the Yiming spirits with couplets. The honoring of Yiming spirits came with settlers from the western coast of Taiwan and bears witness to the fact that the early wave of Han settlers here were Hakka. Hello everyone, this is Joseph Lin with our Hakka lesson of the day.
你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
來講嘅 Alice 彭，你咁對？
對，我只識哦。
You know, over the last few weeks, it's been nice because I've learned a lot of words and sentences, especially if you want to meet new friends. These are very useful. 其實這幾禮拜我們學到的東西可以認識到好多新的朋友。所以如果要問他們說，明天有沒有空出去玩嗎
？OK，天公日有閒出去了麼
？Okay, so that in Hakka means, do you have time to go out and have fun tomorrow? 對不對？
天公日，
天公日
就是明天。
明天 tomorrow。
有閒，
有閒
就是有空嗎？
有空。
有閒就是有空，
閒就是空，對不對？
閒就是閒的意思啦，空閒的閒咯。有閒出去了麼？就是出去玩嗎
？Go out and play and have 撩，中嚟撩的撩嘛，對 ，have fun, play, go out and hang out. Okay, so let's break that down one more time. 天公日就是明天 tomorrow. 有閒有空 you have free time. 出去了麼？
好啊，我懂閒。
哈，你在回答我嗎？
對啊。
好啊，
我懂閒。
我懂閒。等下我想想看，好啊就是好啊，that means good. Okay, sure. 我懂閒，閒剛剛有學過嘛？是
就是
有空嘛？我懂閒聽起來好像 I don't have time。不對啊，你在耍弄我，你又說好，又說沒有空。
不是，我是說好啊，就是好啊。
對，沒錯啊，好啊。
我懂閒，
我懂閒，你沒空嘛？
沒有，我很有空啊，我懂閒。
Oh, that's exactly opposite from English because it sounded like I don't 閒 means have time. I don't have time, but don't in Hakka means I have time. Okay, thank you very much, Alice.
師母大家按自寫長來了，
按自寫長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.